Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, and I need you guys' help. I really need your hype. Guys, please help me out. I have to ask you guys a question. And no, the car isn't broken. No, I need to ask you guys a question. Everyone keeps telling me to get lower downpipes. Get lower downpipes, Boost. If I can get 250 likes on this video within, I'll say from the start date of this video, I will get lower downpipes for this car. Now, I guys also want you guys to get involved. If you have a specific brand you want me to get, out of these three brands, you have to choose from AMS, Soho Engineering, and Z1 Motorsports. I believe they work with Pro Engineering. Those three companies. There are other companies on the market, but those are the three reputable ones that if I chose to spend my money, I'll spend it there. Now, comment below the brand you want me to work with. But also, remember, hit the like button. Please, guys, hit the like button. If I can get 250 likes in 14 days from the post of this video, I will get lower downpipes. Once I hit that 250 goal within the 14 days, I will send out an email to the winner of. I'll send out an email to the company that you guys pick the most, and I'll let them know. Hey, listen, I would really like to work with your company. My subscribers want me to work with your company. Is there any way that I can get your lower downpipes, make an install video, my review, and also can my subscribers get some kind of percentage or discount code or promo code off on their next order of lower downpipes? Because I think they need to know that we have an influence, guys. You guys really want me to modify and play with this car more, and I'm only going to go as far as you guys want me to go. I want you guys to get involved. If you're new to the channel, you're probably like, oh, who is this random black dude talking in his Q50 model? You don't even know if it's Q50. Well, you should know if it's a Q50 Q60 because I have a back seat, so it's a Q50. But I'm an auto vlogist that makes a lot of DIY videos for the VR30 Q50 Q60 model. Also had a 3.7, and I've always been a Nissan and Infiniti gang, if you want to say. So I put a lot of content about this platform because it's growing and a lot of people just don't know what to do. So I'm just willing to share. All right. So if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. If you've been watching my videos for a while, please hit subscribe and a like and hit the little bell button. But for some of my old subscribers, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Some of y'all been rocking out with me since my Maxima days. I'm telling you. But guys, if you really want me to get lower downpipes, please hit the like button on this video. 14 days, I'll give it 2 weeks. If I can get 250 likes on this video, remember, comment below out of those three companies, AMS, Soho Motorsports, and Z1 Engineering. If I get to 250, whatever company comes with the most, I'm sending them an email. And I'm going to ask them, do they want to work with me? And I'm also going to sit there and ask them, can you get a discount code off? Because these companies will only work with me and give discounts if they see that that we have an influence and that we're our buyers. Remember, cash is cow. Money makes the world move. So, guys, do appreciate y'all very much. I'm not begging you guys for help. I'm just asking y'all, please get involved. I want to get in contact with a lot of my subscribers. Also, if you want to contact me, off of this video, you comment below. But I would recommend also checking out my Instagram at Boost in Motion. And I also have a Facebook page that's called Boost in Motion too. It's literally the same thing. So you guys can send me private messages there. A lot of you guys do send me messages. I try to get back to y'all, but I'm still a human being like y'all. I still have a 9-to-5 job before the 12. I work 5 days, 6 days a week. I just don't got no kids though. So that's how I get to spend money on parts. But otherwise than that, I do appreciate y'all very much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like, man. If you have dislikes, I understand. If you have hateful comments, I understand. This is the world. This is how we all get trolled. So guys, appreciate y'all very much. You guys have an amazing, beautiful day. Let's just see how this turns out. Thank you.